Hey guys, welcome back to the Fire Workshop. What we have before us here is a crap ton of Roman candles. These particular babies though shoot 228 flaming balls each. See that? You're probably thinking, what am I gonna do with all this? I'll tell you what, I'm gonna take 54 of these things, I'm gonna duct tape them all together and create what I think is going to be currently the world's largest Roman candle minigun. Now, you're like, all right, what's one of these look like? Check this out. So considering that one of these looks like that, I can't imagine what 54 of these are. So that being said, yeah, 4th of July is 2 weeks away, so I got some time to build this, and I cannot wait. It's gonna be unlike anything I've ever built before. It cost me a lot of money to put all this together, but it's gonna be totally worth it. So if you want to see it happen and go down, subscribe to my channel, and we'll see when it happens.